Hey folks, well, a little bit of progress done on the tandem tall here. So I did run into some issues. Like I say, I'm not a bicycle builder. I can't build frames. I don't know geometry a lot, but I realized this head tube is a lot bigger than that head tube. So, in the result of that is we figured out, okay, as long as both bikes are straight and the axles are perpendicular to each other, the rest of the bike doesn't matter as long as it's squared up to the head tubes all the way down. So we came up with a measurement. I don't know why I got this measurement. 30 and 5/8. So 30 and 5/8. So if you do the math with the different size tubes, it comes out all the way down to the end of 30 and 5/8. All right? So this is the problem I came into because of geometry and because I want both these parallel with each other and square, and these to square so it'll steer properly, was I had to lift this blue frame up. As you can see, it's a little bit higher than this one. And resulting in that is I changed the geometry, kind of. So I was trying to mimic this frame. So this is straight across. Well, if you look over there, the blue frame right there is higher than the red frame because I had to raise it up to make these two square, all right? To make these two perfect so it'll steer properly. In result of that, we come over here, bike polo sucks. We come over here. So what I did, don't mind my booger welds, I'll clean them up, I'll make them look pretty, is I cut the frame in half and I slid this down there. So because I've changed the geometry of this to go up more, I can't bring this one up to make it level with that one to that one. So if I do that, what happens is the back wheel will lift up. So it's almost there. I just need a few more tacks. A couple more things are going to get done. This back brace is permanent. This one is permanent. This one is just tacked in. Because it's 30 and 5/8 straight across the whole board, I can move this one anywhere I want. So now getting a metal from there to there, which is not too hard to do. And then I need to brace from here to here temporarily. Just trying to get it so it's a roller. And we can put cranks on it and pedal it and see how the steering is. It's up in the air and what we're going to do with the top part. I'm not doing that frame there. We're going with this frame on the top. It's an e-bike. Yeah, that's what I'm putting on the top of it. It's going to look weird and ugly. It's going to be fun to ride. Could have done this in a weekend. Get on it. We're going to ride like shit and nobody's going to ride it. I want it so people can get on it, ride it, and have fun riding it. Sketched out about, is it going to, oh, I can't steer it. I don't want to ride it anymore. But with that said, those are the trials and errors of doing certain bikes like this, because you got to do it right. And I screwed up. The head tube is bigger, as you can see, to that one. That was my doing. I can find a large frame like that, but I'm not paying $100. I paid nothing for those two frames. So peace out, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and follow my show. And watch me build this thing and ride it and have fun. Make sure you wear a helmet. Make sure you clip in and just go, and have a good time.